Can you build an entire working, detailed model railway in just 24 hours? Just one baseboard, one deadline, and a race against the clock. Watch Mike and Ben as a brand new TT120 diesel depot begins to take shape, from a simple idea to a fully functioning layout. Every minute counts. Track laid, wiring completed, power connected. Will everything work before time runs out? This challenge proves you don't need a huge room or months of spare time to build a model railway you'll be proud of. Join us as we take on the 24-hour challenge and discover just how much model railway you can build against the clock.
So you're building a model railway. Here at TMC the Model Centre we cater for all your modelling needs, whether that's Pico track, Woodland Scenics accessories, even DCC Concepts layout control. And as you'll see behind me, we have a very small selection of one of many different brands we stock, such as Oxford Diecast, Hornby, Bachmann, even Accurascale. Take a look at our website to see the full range of our products. And don't forget, every Friday we upload our new pre-owned listings if you'd like to save a little bit more on your layout build. Perhaps you're stuck with an aspect of railway modelling, or any other aspect of modelling for that fact. Our customer service team is just an email or a phone call away. For everything else, you can visit our website at themodelcentre.com, and if you're passing in the area near Beckhole, Whitby, pop in and see our showroom.
Introducing Key Model World, your new online destination for everything railway and scale modelling. Featuring exclusive videos and features, unseen images, step-by-step guides, railway history and the latest news. Plus, it's home to our full layout build series.
I'm going to stop you right there though, because I didn't do this. This is all you're doing.
Join us for the latest content from Key Publishing's modelling titles, Hornby Magazine and Airfix Model World. Sign up today for as little as £3.75 per month, or if you're a magazine subscriber, bolt Key Model World onto your subscription package now. For more details, visit keymodelworld.com.